Hey there folks, my name is Alex. My partner Megan and I wanted to fill our lives with experience, so we moved into our van Betty and hit the road. When we realized how much more we can do while living out of a van, we decided to go all in for the long run. After 6 months of living in the van and traveling around, we've decided we want to completely rethink, redesign, upgrade, and improve our van. We're doing a full rebuild. This is the Alex Build Stuff Show. It's the show where I build stuff and I show you. What's up, friends? Thank you so much for being here. Both Megan and I really appreciate you guys following along with our adventures. This video marks the very first video of a new adventure. We have realized over the last 5.5 months of travel that we want to live out of Betty for a long time to come, but that requires the van to be a little bit more comfortable, especially for me, and then also a little bit more capable so that we can get out to further places. Today, we're going to be starting a very big upgrade to Betty, which is installing that high top onto this van. Follow along? It's going to be pretty wild, and we've got a lot in store for this van, and it's going to be a lot of fun to see it all come together. It has been a long while since Betty looked like this. She looks so light. So we made pretty good progress yesterday, actually way more progress than we actually intended to make. We got the entire ceiling out of Betty, so as you can see it's right down to bare metal. All we have to do is just remove a few more pieces of furring strip, and then we're pretty much going to be good to go to cut a hole in the roof. We won't be doing that until tomorrow, so what we're going to do today is actually cut in the window that we bought for over on that side, just because it'll be easy and quick, and we should be able to get her done today. So we're going to chase after that and then cut a hole in the roof tomorrow. And just like magic, all the furring strips are off the ceiling.
Yes.
For you. What do you say we
cut a big hole in the van?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Got a nice brand of window. CR Lawrence. So we went with a like a 12-inch by 33-inch window, I think. It's the awning style, so that the whole window opens up and you get better airflow into the van. Yay! Alright. So now that we got the window ready to go, we just have to make a template and see exactly where it fits on the side of the van. Template time. Yeah. So we're just going to make a template out of this cardboard box. Make sure that the window fits perfectly into whatever hole we cut. Once we know that it fits really cleanly, then we'll go and trace it onto the van. I'm looking for screwdrivers and much tools, but I don't know where they are. I'm gonna find them somewhere. Where to put my Sharpie? I don't know where my Sharpie is.
Nice bottom.
Oh, thank you.
I'm a train.
We have now made a template of the window that we're going to cut. And we're trying to find a place where we're going to put it in here, but we've got a storage unit on the back that comes to right about here, and we're not exactly sure where it comes to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the inside. I'm going to drill a hole from the place that we want it on the inside, and that will be the backmost terminus of this window. So this is the first of the holes.
Yeah.
See, we've got this storage unit here that we don't really want to take out. So the window has to kind of start from right here. So I figured that, you know, the top of the window is going to be right about here. So if we do something like this, just put a hole right through the side. Okay, and now I want to just choose
The top.
the top point. There we go. So now, just kind of line up like this. We'll measure it, we'll use this body line here to make sure that the bottom of this window is actually level with this body line, because I'm pretty sure that the roof curves.
Oops. Rechecking the template.
Yeah, just, this is one of those things that it's a big hole that you're cutting. I just want to make absolutely sure that I'm not doing something really stupid.
Oh.
Well, after some struggle, we managed to get the window clamped in. So now we have this nice little awning window, and I still have hiccups. Yay, airflow.
She's gorgeous.
That don't look so bad.
How much did we pay for this thing that opens 2 inches?
Don't ask. Do not ask. Okay guys, today is the day that we cut the roof off of Betty. This is going to be pretty awesome. We did a roof yesterday, which I helped Micah do yesterday, and it went really well, so I'm pretty stoked on doing this because it's going to be pretty easy to do. So we start by drilling a bunch of holes in the roof and then marking everything out and then just hitting it with the air hammer and just cutting a massive hole. So let's go! There's so many spiky things on the bottom. Ow!
Put it down, mister. Put it down, Hulk. Betty is ruthless.
Almost.
Okay.
Hold it. Alright. There's the roof down there. What do you think? Should we just
Leave it like this. Skylight.
Yeah, skylight, yeah. It's swanky. I like it. 105.
All right.
Yeah.
Flee no roof. Hey!
What are you doing there?
Hanging out in my van.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you hanging out in your van or hanging out of your van?
I'm hanging out of my van.
Oh, yeah. So as you can see, we've got the top kind of hoisted above the van there. You saw us test fit it. We've done a little bit more cleaning. We're going to do some pre-drilling of holes, and then if we're going to get after starting to drive screws through, obviously put sealant down before that, and it'll be pretty quick that the top will be firmly secured on there and ready to go. What you doing in there?
Sniffing.
Sniffing the glue.
Yeah.
Oh. Down. Yeah, now it needs to go. Oh wait, we gotta go up. Lift on the right side. Lift. There you have it. We've got a high top. It's pretty exciting. I can almost stand up fully in there, believe it or not. It's pretty close. But this is such an improvement on living, and it looks so good. It looks so good. I mean, I'm not. It's kind of like I'm texting all the time, but you know. But yeah, it's not bad. We're back in Canada. I did a really good job of not introducing Micah, unfortunately. we finished the van and then just skedaddled out of Washington to get back to Canada as quickly as we could. So I totally forgot to introduce Micah to you guys, but I will put the link to his business right here. If you are interested in getting yourself a high top put on your van, you better contact him, because the tops are really high quality. It takes a day to do, and he's coming in at a pretty competitive price point. So be sure to hit Mike up if you want a high top for your van. And we're back in Canada now, on to some new adventures, which of course, as you know, is just building Betty for the next 3 months. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. And until next time, remember to keep on roaming. Later.